How to create and import a shapefile polygon to a DJI Agriculture drone radio controller. First, export your ortho image using WGS84 reference. Import the raster file to QGIS software. Go and create new shapefile, name it and make sure to select polygon, and mark M values. Use the pen to edit and add a new polygon. Draw your area precisely is also important. How reference method you used on mapping plan. If you do not have RTK precision, it will have a displacement on the map. So be careful with the security buffer. Is also recommended to mark a calibration point on the image. Click with the right button to finalize, then press Enter. And save it. Create a new shapefile to the obstacles. Draw you avoiding areas and save it. Now go in the tab vector and select the task subtract. Make sure to select the right order, spray area minus obstacles and select the file location to save it as a shop shapefile. Create a new folder into your SD card, named as DJI, then create a subfolder called Shapefile. Copy and paste inside this folder your 4 files created in QGIS. Insert the SD card in the controller and go to Import a shapefile. Press OK. Now you can select the area imported, edit parameters and direction. This video was helpful. Please subscribe.